Manifestation techniques that will give you big results. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Hey, we only have about 3 more days at the time of this recording. So you're going to want to check out easymoneywhileyouSleep.com. Listen to me. This is a game changer in your life. There's nothing else exactly like it. easymoneywhileyouSleep.com. So high flyers, the law of attraction is active in your life. It's not something you do. People say, I'm going to try the law of attraction. No, the law of attraction is trying you. It works all the time, every time. Perfect. It never fails. You see, the law of attraction, like the law of gravity and other laws, it always works. It's part of how we operate and exist in the universe. You know, as a little side note, some say that the law of attraction was actually working before our birth, before our incarnation, and that we attracted our parents. We attracted our life situation to teach us valuable lessons. I don't know if that's true or not, but it makes sense, because if you are always attracting what is in your reality, what is in your life, then it makes sense that you possibly did it before you existed, even in the physical body, even in your physical realm. So the reason for this is that we are source energy. Think about it for a moment. Everything that God has created comes from God. And we come from God. And we have the ability, unlike other things, other animals, inanimate objects, to mirror the universe with desires, hopes, dreams, feelings, thoughts, ideas, creativity. That's what makes us unique. And so this energy that lives within us, that is called source energy, it's the source of the entire universe, is yours to create with. That's why we call you and I co-creators. We create in harmony with the universe. We create in harmony with source energy, or with the divine. So high flyers, this explains why the law of attraction always works, because it's divinity, it's divine energy, it's source energy, it's universal energy. It has no choice but to be perfect and work each and every time. So what's happening with the law of attraction is whatever you are sending out is exactly what you are getting back. Oftentimes you've heard me refer to the universe as a giant mirror. Whatever you reflect to the universe, it reflects back to you. If you feel hope and happiness and joy and excitement and enthusiasm and certainty, then that's exactly what you attract back. If you feel doubt and worry and anxiety, lower vibrational energies, that's exactly what you attract back. So the universe is perfect. Source energy is perfect. It's always working. But you may not be perfect in attracting what you desire to manifest in your life. I'm going to give you some techniques, and I want you to stay with me till the end of the video, because these techniques work, and they will kind of retrain your mind to send out exactly what you desire to receive back. Simple as that. So high flyers, the first thing I'd like you to do is to choose an intention. Any intention at all, but make it one intention for right now. Choose that intention. And it can be an easy intention to manifest, or it can be a difficult one. It doesn't really make a difference. It works either way. Because guess what? Easy and hard are products of the human mind. To the universe, there is no easy. It's just as easy to create a solar system as it is to create a new car for you. It's just as easy to create the sun and the moon as it is to create a new loving relationship for you. Do you see what I'm saying? There is no easy or hard to the universe. So just pick out an intention, one intention. Next, I'm going to have you select a word. I'm going to select the word for you, but you can select any other word that is commonly used. Any other word that's commonly used. I selected the word day. I love that word because it represents light. The sun has risen. Daytime. Okay? So that's our word. That's our anchor word. In neurolinguistics, we would call it an anchor word. I want you to think of that word. Keep it in mind. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to find a nice, comfortable place. You're going to turn off your phone, your electronics, shut the drapes, close your eyes. You're going to relax and breathe deeply in the fourfold breath, box breathing. In through the nose for 4 seconds. Hold it for 4 seconds. Out for 4 seconds. Remain empty for 4 seconds. And allow that breath work to take you into a deeper, more relaxing state of consciousness. Once you've reached a deep state of relaxation, and by the way, high flyers, a little inside secret. I do this in a jacuzzi, or I do this in a bathtub. I'll run the bathtub, put some lavender in it, get inside the bathtub, relax, begin breathing, and next I begin visualizing exactly what I desire. I see it. I feel it. I hear it. I taste it. I experience exactly what it is I desire. And then, as I am experiencing what it is I desire, I say the word day. Day. Now, I say it in my mind, or you can say it aloud. I prefer to say it in my mind. Day. Day. So now I'm visualizing myself driving my new BMW down the street. I'm on the freeway. I got the roof on our car. The whole roof kind of goes back, and it's all, and it's just really neat because at nighttime you can see all the stars and everything. I'm enjoying that BMW. Oh, it just handles so well. Day, 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 day. Now, if you're visualizing a relationship, you might visualize yourself walking on the beach or in the park with your lover, and you're just repeating the word day, 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 day. And then, when you're ready, you open up your eyes, and you are done. Now, you're asking, so what does this have to do with anything? Well, let me explain it. You took the time to relax. You took the time to get into a deeper state of consciousness, probably into the theta state. This is where you start impressing on the subconscious mind. Remember how we reflect to the universe? We reflect through our beliefs in our subconscious mind. So now, every time someone says the word day, like, it's a great day, have a wonderful day. What day do you plan to get together? Or you read the word day. Anytime the word day comes up, it activates those feelings, those emotions, those pictures, and you are retransmitting to the infinite field of potential to the universe. You are literally taking your manifestation abilities and you're making them invincible. Now, high flyers, you can also do this in a group. If a group, say, wants to manifest a house, a family, for example, you can all hold hands and go into a deep state of consciousness and relax and focus on your breath work. And then you would just simply say whatever word you choose, but I like the word day because it comes up quite a bit. Say the word day as you are down in this deep state of consciousness, visualizing exactly what you are manifesting. We've done this together, Rachel, right? Yep. And it absolutely works. We lie on the bed, we hold hands, we visualize together, we take a deep state of consciousness, we breathe, and then I roll over and shake Rachel because she's fallen asleep. No, I don't do that. Then we just relax and hit that deep state of consciousness, and we're both saying our key word together over and over and over. This really works, high flyers. This is a game changer for you, but you've got to put a little energy into it. Do it over and over and over again. In other words, don't do it just once. You anchor it when you've done it about 10 times. So for 10 days, do this meditation and then have a nice day. Okay, next one. What would I be wearing? What would I be wearing? Probably a Tommy Bahama shirt, right, Rachel? So a Tommy Bahama shirt, or maybe a suit, or maybe just some jeans and a t-shirt. What would I be wearing when I am manifesting the following? So you focus on what you would be wearing, and you see it clearly in your mind. And believe it or not, when that situation arises, wear those clothes. Maybe you're going out on your first date. You're going out on your first date, or you're re-meeting up with somebody that you had a relationship with. And so you visualize that over and over again, but focus on the details of what you are wearing. And then when that situation presents itself, wear those clothes. It brings everything together. It's like the universe came crashing in and helped you manifest exactly what you desire. I've done it for acquiring new places to live, new homes, new cars. I know exactly what I'm going to be wearing when I go there. I knew exactly what I was going to be wearing the day I met Rachel. That's how it works. That's called manifestation. You can do it too. Okay, pockets of time. I love pockets of time because even though we live with a continuous day-night cycle, there are pockets of time. There's morning, there's afternoon, there's evening, there's nighttime. And as I'm going to bed at night, I'm focusing on what I am manifesting in the morning. I'm manifesting happiness, I'm manifesting excitement, I'm manifesting health, rejuvenation. So as I sleep, this is what I'm manifesting. When I get up in the morning, I'm filled with excitement, I'm filled with rejuvenation, and I'm excited to get my day going. I can also then focus for the next till noon. What's my intention between whatever time you get up and noon? What's your intention? Have an intention. Have a small intention. What's your intention from noon till, say, dinner time? What's your evening intention? And then your nighttime intention is usually rejuvenation, happiness, joy the next morning, positivity, health, all of those kinds of things. If you'll focus on these pockets of time, you will manifest beyond your wildest, craziest dream. It really works. And you'll have a whole lot of manifestations throughout the day. Instead of one manifestation or no major manifestations, you'll have several because you are focusing on pockets of time. And then finally, where is it? Here it is. Now, you've heard of the gratitude journal, right? This is not the gratitude journal. I love the gratitude journal, high flyers. But this is the what if journal. And every day, write 3 or 4 what ifs if things go the way you'd like them to. What if that unexpected money comes into my life? Write it down. Then visualize it. What would you do? What if I receive a text from my lover? Write it down. What would you do? What will you be wearing? Okay, how about that? You see, I'm writing what ifs. Okay, a lot of people tend to attract the opposite of what they desire because they have negative what ifs. What if it doesn't work out? What if he doesn't love me? What if I can't get the credit? What if the house has been sold? What if, they're just focused on those negative what ifs. Write down 5 positive what ifs every day and then visualize them out for a moment and do it for 28 days. You're going to be shocked. You're going to be shocked at how much you've manifested in 1 month. Okay, we're out of time. So here's a video or two to help you on your journey.